Alright, hey guys, I want to show you this new thermostat that we're going to be installing. So this is from the Home Depot. It is the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat with voice control with app. So you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, but hopefully it will work with Amazon Alexa and Google Home Mini. So yeah, or Google Home. So yeah, this is so cool. But anyway, this is a really cool thermostat that's we're gonna be installing. So what's going to install that? So yeah, this is a really cool thermostat, and you can change colors, and also if you look on the side is it says white choose control from anywhere, and custom color display. That's awesome with a touch screen on it, and intelligent alerts. You can look at the back, see a bunch of colors here. It is a Wi-Fi smart color thermostat and voice control with app, and it's a simple setup. Schedule is simple, answering a few questions about my daily routine, events, fan operation, so that's so awesome. Smart response learning that alerts your heating cooling cycle times to deliver optimal temperature at the right time, and also auto change from heat to cool. So it's automatically determine if your home needs heating or cooling to provide maximum comfort. And also secure network, high-rated app backed by viable Honeywell network. So yeah, that was so cool. And display options. So degree Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius temperature display, travel 24-hour clock, English, Spanish, or French settings, selectable background colors. So that is so awesome. And minimum Wi-Fi system requirements. Tons of information, and also you can download this app from your phone's voice control app, and it's capable with forced air, gas, oil, electronic, hot water, and steam, heat pumps with electronic backup. See online demo video for more information. So yeah, hopefully it will work with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. So yeah, so this is a really cool thermostat, and it's from Honeywell. So once I get it set up, hopefully it's gonna work. So yeah, so anyway, they bought it for $149. So it was $199, but now it's down to $149. So hopefully it will work once got done installing. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. So yeah, so you can keep this house warm or cool. So yeah, but anyway, here is the Honeywell Wi-Fi smart color thermostat that my mom and was got it from the Home Depot. So thanks for watching. Peace. Bye bye.